Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to become a seller on Temu. So first make sure that you have a Temu account created so we can proceed. First we're going to into browser. Now go into search address and type temu.com. When you reach on the temu.com page, scroll down, but first make sure that you change the interface of this browser into the desktop site mode, so in order that you can continue or you can proceed. After that, scroll down to the bottom. After finally get partner with Temu in the help section, so click on it. Now listen me carefully. In order to be a partner with Temu, you have to follow all the necessary code of conduct of Temu's company. Make sure that you have a deal with Temu and you can't sell prohibited items on Temu. In order that you can partner with Temu for merchandise partner, please write an email with this email address. So in 2 or 3 business days, Temu teams will reach you. So that's how you can partner with Temu. Thanks for watching. Please, if you really like this video, give thumbs up, and for more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.